Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into the mystery of alts.com, a website claiming to share the Ulta method, an insider hack that supposedly saves you 90% on beauty products. All they ask is for your email and for you to complete a few deals to unlock a $750 shopping spree. Because as we all know, the internet is just a giant charity waiting to fund our luxury skincare addictions. It sounds amazing, but before you start picking out your new eyeshadow palettes, let's look at the cold, hard facts. First off, we checked the WHOS registration and found that alts.com was created in July 2025. Apparently, they're operating from the future, which explains why their business model is light years ahead of common sense. Whenever a website is this new, it's not a hidden gem, it's a massive red flag for reliability. Second, clicking the Apply Now button doesn't lead to rewards. It redirects you to a completely unrelated website. It's like walking into a bakery and being teleported to a tire shop. Confusing, annoying, and definitely not where the cupcakes are. The red flags keep waving, as alts.com has absolutely no social media presence. No Instagram, no Facebook, nothing. In an age where even my grandmother's cat has a dedicated TikTok following, a major brand with no digital footprint is beyond sketchy. To make matters worse, there's no contact support and not even a privacy policy. They're essentially asking for your personal data while providing zero transparency on how they'll use it or how to reach them when your reward never arrives. Finally, we scoured platforms like Trustpilot and found a grand total of 0 reviews. There is no real user feedback anywhere, leaving us with a digital ghost town. It's almost as if the only people actually winning here are the ones running the site. Based on the new domain, misleading redirects, and total lack of contact info, alts.com is highly suspicious and likely untrustworthy. Unless you enjoy donating your personal information to strangers for fun, I'd suggest staying far away. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more reality checks.